Hi guys, Sneeze Forever here. I figured I needed to make a point to prove to you that I don't need help. I have this sneezing under control, and I'll be just fine. I did get some nice offers though. Appreciate it. I don't think I'm gonna need help though. Nope, because I'm okay. I'm not dealing with allergies, I don't have a cold, I don't need to sneeze. I'll even prove it. I'll head to the stove. That area. Earlier, they made me sick. What the? I don't need to sneeze. I don't. That's a fluke. Okay, another fluke. Not doing it. It's not gonna happen again. Nope, that's not gonna happen again. Not gonna happen. Nope. Yeah, I'm okay. It's not gonna happen again. Alright. So maybe I was wrong. Something's still making me sneeze.